Are you ready to jump into the 3 most important things for your financial future? 1. Get your mind right. 2. Make investments that can grow long-term. And 3. Shelter your investments from taxes. Picture 2 individuals, one wealthy, one not so well off. What sets them apart, do you think? An inheritance, a winning lottery ticket? Or could it be something as simple as a change in mindset? Indeed, the difference between the rich and the poor is not just about the money in their bank accounts. It's about their attitudes, their philosophies, and their mindset. This difference in mindset is often the result of a gap in financial education. Now, consider this. The wealthy individual does not merely spend money, they invest it. They understand that every penny is a seed which, when planted and nurtured, can grow into a money tree. They know that the true path to wealth is not through earning more, but by making their money work harder for them. The person on the other end of the scale often spends money as soon as they get it. They see money as a tool for immediate gratification, not as a means to achieve long-term financial stability. They are often trapped in a cycle of earn, spend, earn, with little to no growth in their financial status. But what if I told you that the wealthy don't just invest, they also protect their investments? They employ strategies to minimize their tax liabilities, making use of legal frameworks known as tax shelters. These tax shelters allow them to keep more of their hard-earned money and invest even more towards their future. In essence, the difference between the rich and the poor is not just about money. It's about knowledge. It's about understanding how money works and using that knowledge to one's advantage. It's about being proactive, not reactive. It's about playing the game of money, not being played by it. Just by being here, you've already taken the first step towards a richer mindset. You're thirsting for knowledge, eager to learn the secrets of the wealthy, and for that, I commend you. Before we open the gate, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. It helps the channel, and it means you won't miss out on any future insights. Thank you for your time, and let's continue on this path towards financial freedom together. As we transition from understanding the mindset gap to the concept of investment, let's pause and talk about something fundamental: knowledge. Knowledge is the biggest asset in your financial journey. It's the power tool that helps you bridge the mindset gap and multiply your wealth through smart investments. Understanding how money works, how to make it grow, and how to protect it are all facets of this knowledge. You see, the wealthy don't just have more money, they have more knowledge about money. They understand that wealth isn't just about earning more, but about learning more. They invest time and resources in educating themselves about financial strategies, trends, and opportunities. They read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and consult with financial advisors. They're always learning, always growing. This is not just about financial literacy, but financial fluency. It's not about understanding the basics of money management, but being able to navigate the financial world with ease and confidence. It's about making informed decisions, not based on emotions or assumptions, but on facts and analysis. So, how do you acquire this knowledge? You start by asking questions, by being curious. You seek out resources, books, courses, mentors. You commit to a lifetime of learning, because the financial world is always evolving, and so should your knowledge. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. As we move on to the next scene on investments, bear in mind this key principle. Knowledge is your most powerful investment tool. It's the compass that guides your financial journey, the weapon that protects your wealth, and the key that unlocks the door to financial freedom. And now, for the next step in your financial education, I strongly encourage you to engage into the world of finance. Start by reading The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. It's available on Audible, and it's a great way to better understand the link between your mind and your money. Remember, knowledge is an investment that always pays the best interest. Investment. It may sound intimidating, but at its core, it's simply making your money work for you. Ever wondered how the rich seem to get richer? The secret lies in a simple yet powerful concept: investment. Investment, in essence, is the act of committing resources today, with the expectation of reaping greater benefits tomorrow. It's like sowing seeds in a field. You plant today, you harvest down the line. But instead of seeds and crops, we're talking money. The rich understand this concept well. They know that money sitting idle in a bank account is money wasted. So they put their money to work. They invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, businesses, even art and collectibles. It's like having hundreds, even thousands of tiny money-making machines working for them around the clock. This is what we call passive income. It's money earned with minimal effort. You could be sleeping, vacationing, or even working your day job, and your investments would still be earning for you. But let's be clear, not all investments are created equal. Some are risky, others are safer. That's where diversification comes in. The rich don't put all their eggs in one basket. They spread their investments across various asset classes to minimize risk. Imagine it as a safety net. If one investment doesn't perform well, others can pick up the slack. Look for some upcoming videos on specific investment strategies like dividend stocks, indexing, and dollar cost averaging. And speaking of risk, let's not forget risk management. The rich know that investment is not about making reckless bets. It's about making calculated decisions. They study the market, they do their research, they consult experts. They don't just throw their money around hoping it will multiply. Investment is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategic move, a game of patience and knowledge. It's about understanding the market, knowing where and when to invest, and most importantly, knowing when to hold back. Tax. It's unavoidable, right? Not exactly. The wealthy have known for years how to legally reduce their tax bills. Now, let's pull back the curtain on this hidden secret: tax shelters. So, what is a tax shelter? In essence, it's a legal method to reduce taxable income, resulting in less tax owed. Imagine it as a safe house, protecting your hard-earned wealth from the downpour of taxes. The rich, with their financial acumen, have long been leveraging tax shelters to guard their fortunes. One might wonder, how does this work? Well, it's not about hiding money under the mattress. Instead, it involves making strategic investments that offer tax advantages. For instance, retirement accounts, real estate properties, and even certain types of trusts can all serve as tax shelters. But here's the catch. Not all tax shelters are created equal. Some are readily available and beneficial for the average taxpayer, while others are more complex, often suitable for high net worth individuals or corporations. The benefits of tax shelters are quite straightforward. They can significantly reduce your tax liability, thereby allowing you to retain more of your wealth. Moreover, by strategically timing when and how you receive income, you can further optimize your tax situation. However, it's crucial to understand that tax shelters are not without drawbacks. They often require significant upfront investment and can be complicated to set up. More importantly, misuse of tax shelters can lead to penalties or worse, legal repercussions. Therefore, it's essential to seek professional advice when considering tax shelters. Remember, tax shelters are not about evasion, they're about smart planning. They provide a legal and strategic way to safeguard your wealth from excessive taxation. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn about managing your wealth and navigating the complex world of finance. But let's not stop here, there's more to learn. Why are IRAs and qualified plans like your 401k are imperative to master? It's simple, you need to understand them to master their benefits. One step further is a newer type of plan, the SDIRA, a self-directed individual retirement account, or IRA, is a type of retirement savings account that allows you to invest in a wider range of assets than a traditional IRA. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Think of it this way. A self-directed IRA is like a container where you can keep a variety of investments. From real estate to private businesses, precious metals to tax-lien certificates, you have the power to decide what goes in that container. The beauty of a self-directed IRA is the control it offers. You're no longer limited to stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Instead, you can choose investments that align with your personal knowledge, expertise, and comfort level. Now let's talk about the benefits. The first one is investment flexibility. With a self-directed IRA, you can diversify your retirement portfolio in ways you never thought possible. You can invest in real estate, startups, even racehorses if you fancy. The second benefit is the potential for higher returns. Since self-directed IRAs let you invest in alternative assets, they may offer higher returns than traditional IRAs. And who doesn't want a larger nest egg for their golden years? But here's the rub. With great power comes great responsibility. Self-directed IRAs require a hands-on approach. You need to actively manage your investments and be aware of the IRS rules and regulations. So is a self-directed IRA for everyone? Not necessarily. It's best suited for individuals who are comfortable taking on more investment risk and have the time and knowledge to manage their own investments. But if you're someone who likes to take control, who wants to diversify your portfolio beyond the stock market, a self-directed IRA could be a fantastic tool in your financial toolbox. Self-directed IRAs can be a game changer, yet they are just one piece of the financial puzzle. So, let's continue exploring other pieces to help you build a secure and prosperous financial future. Like and subscribe for more wisdom. It is much appreciated.